Hello everybody and welcome back to Plant Matters. Gorgeous day outside. We're out here chilling with the animals and we're about to move a garden box. 1,000 pounds of garden box all by myself. And I'll show you how I'm gonna do that. So this is the box we're moving. I'm halfway through and I decided I should get this on camera because it's going pretty good so far. So what I did is I dug out that corner about 2 feet. I need to move it over at least a foot or so. So I'll measure that out when I get to that spot. But what I did is I put a couple of concrete pegs in the ground here, and I put a ratchet strap all around the base of this box. And I've lifted it up with the shovel and put a couple 2x4s underneath to slide it on. And I think that should work good. So let's see how this goes. So if you ever find yourself needing to move a raised bed, I hope this can give you some ideas. And until next time, remember, plants matter.